Hello and welcome back to the course on deep learning. I hope you're as excited about this section of the course on recurrent neural networks as I am. We're slowly venturing into the very complex, very forward-looking and cutting-edge areas of deep learning, and this is going to be very, very fun. So today we're going to talk about how we're going to approach this section, which contains so many different complex topics, so many concepts that we need to get our head around. All right, so in this section, we will learn, first of all, the idea behind recurrent neural networks. We'll see how they compare to the human brain. We'll understand what makes them unique and special as compared to regular artificial neural networks. Then we'll talk about the vanishing gradient problem, something that has been a major roadblock in, or had been a major roadblock in the development and utilization of recurrent neural networks, something that prevented them from being what they are now. And then we will move on to the solution, one of the most popular solutions to the vanishing gradient problem, the long short-term memory or LSTM neural networks, and we'll talk about their architecture. It'll be a very exciting tutorial, it's one of my favorite topics, and we will find out exactly how they work and what that complex structure is inside them. We'll break it down into simple terms, and you will be able to walk away with a pretty solid understanding of LSTMs. And then we'll talk about the practical intuition. So in that previous tutorial, we will have a practical example of using LSTMs, but in this practical intuition tutorial, we'll look at some great examples posted by one of the researchers, one of the most well-known researchers in the space, and we'll understand even better on an intuitive level how LSTMs actually work, how they think. We'll be like neuroscientists trying to understand what's going on in the brain of an LSTM. It's going to be very exciting as well. And then at the end, we'll have an extra tutorial on LSTM variations, something special, something you don't really have to take this tutorial, but it's very quick just to get you up to speed on what other options of LSTMs exist out there in the world, what other architectures you might come across in your work. So hopefully you're excited and ready to get started, and I can't wait to see you on the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy deep learning.